Hi, my name is Kara Amalkis, and today I would like to explain about the personal income for Nina Erin. As you can see, this is the computation of income tax payable for the year of assessment 2020. Basically, the income tax payable includes section 4A until 4F, which is section 4A is about the business income, 4B is employment income, 4C is about 4C, uh, 4C is about dividend, interest and discount income. 4D is rental royalties premium income. 4E pension, annuity, and also alimony income. 4F is other income that will lead to the net income of tax payable. So as you can see, the section 4A will include the partnership income, business 1 and business 2 of Nina Arena. And here is the net statutory business income, which is the amount added from the partnership, business 1 and business 2 of Nina Arena. Next, we will go to the section B, which is include the statutory employment income, which I get from the one that my friends explained earlier, which is the employment income. Next is section 4D. Here, Nina Arena only earned from the rental income, and here is the rental payment, rental deposit, which is deducted with the allowable expenses, which is the rewiring auto gate. Nina Arena will the rental deposit of Nina Arena will not be included in the computation of income tax payable. Next, we will go to the section 4F, which is other income, where Nina Arena become a part-time Korean lecturer language for the 3 months. So this is the income earned by her. Next, we will go to the aggregate income, which is the amount added from section 4A to section 4F. So this is the aggregate income where the amount is added from section 4A until 4F, and it will be deducted with the donation, where the donation of in-kind will be excluded from the computation, while it is only will include the cash donation. Here, the cash donation is given to the Rumah Intan Payung. And here is the total income of Nina Arena. It then will be deduct with the relief earned by Nina Arena, such as the self, lifestyle, EPF, life insurance relief, medical insurance, basic supporting equipment for her disabled mother, and it will become the chargeable income from Nina Arena. How to know how much she need to pay is from the schedule, where the first 1 million ringgit will be Nina Arena need to pay 237,650, and the next 305,400 will impose with the 28% and will be cost her 85,512. And here is the net income tax payable. That's all. Thank you.